Hi, it's Doug. I just wanted to show you guys a couple new ukuleles from the latest batch. We've got two new tenors. The one on the left is a Western Red Cedar. The one on the right is Curly Redwood. So I'm going to show both of them to you and let you have a listen. Okay. I have to cut off my head here. Okay, so this one is Western Red Cedar top on Dalbergia Grenadillo back and sides. The mahogany neck, ebony fingerboard and bridge, ebony peghead veneer and tuner buttons. They're Waverly open back tuners. And there's a mother of pearl rosette and peghead inlay. And it's tortoloid binding with a little black, white, black mitered purfling, end graft, ebony heel cap, and this one sounds a bit like that. Okay, so that's the Western Red Cedar. Polish on there. Okay, and this one is Curly Redwood top on Paduke back and sides. It's lovely red all over. Mahogany neck, Paduke on the peg head, and mother of pearl rosette and peghead inlay. Also the Waverly open back tuners with ebony buttons and ebony fretboard and bridge, tortoloid bindings. Same binding scheme as the other one. These are sort of sisters. And this one Okay, so there's a little sound sample of both of them. I think the cedar is a little bit brighter, but they're both really warm. They both sustain really well. And they're both for sale. If anybody's interested, send me a message or an email and let me know. They're awesome. I'm going to have a hard time parting with them, but it's time to make some more. So there you go. 2 tenors.